All right, I welcome you to today's episode, and there is something I want to show you. Something I designed using Microsoft Excel, and this is it. This is it. Double click. Is opening. Is opening. Is opened. Okay. Now here you click on exit. It's asking you, are you sure you want to exit or quit this application? No, I don't want. So I click on stock. We use this to keep stock. Okay. So let me check. And I have phone ID 6 is 7788, and then the phone is iPhone 13, just iPhone 13, no Pro, nothing, just iPhone 13. Now the cost price is 5,000 and it's been sold at 6,900. Okay, we'll click add. Immediately it appears here on our stock. So we can sell off. We called it 6.5. Okay, see, this is it. 67788 as iPhone 13. So we can immediately sell it off, or we move it out in case somebody removed this phone from the store without buying. So we can just click on move. Then who is moving it is Chidera is moving it. So we'll click on Chidera and then say okay, it's moved. So let's check and see. We click on here. Once we come to check, you see that this phone has been moved by Chidera and the date it was moved. So if peradventure Chidera returns the goods, it remains, as you can see, all these ones have been returned. So once Chidera returns his own, you can just double click on this Chidera and click on return. Are you sure you've collected the goods? Yes. So it marks Chidera as returned, and then remove the phone ID from here. You see, that's how it works. So if we come over to this place and then select it and click on check, you will see not found, meaning that Chidera is no longer with your goods. Okay, so let's exit the app. Yep, it's closed. Thank you for watching, and if you want something like this, we can design for you. And then again, if you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more videos. If you're watching from Facebook, follow us, share. And if you have any comment to make, did you notice anything on it? There's something you notice, check very well, there's something there, then make comment and let's see.